Alright, I just received 2 packages from MercRacing. They said that they were going to send me some goodies. I am being sponsored by MercRacing. And they're going to send me some stuff. When I was installing the blower, there was a couple of screws that were not provided for the intake manifold. And they sent me the screws. And they also sent me a new shift knob, which I am excited to see. And I don't think the fuel rail's in here. All this tape. So let's see what's in box number 1. Oh, I see it already. How awesome. Oh, and my screws are in here. Oh shit, yeah, both set of screws. Nice. Heck yeah. Love it. Can't wait to open this up though. Wow. MercRacing. This is beautiful. I love it. And it's not too heavy. It's like the perfect weight. Whoa. I love it. It's a badass shift knob. Thanks, MercRacing. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been an excellent company to work with. Thank you so much. Thank you for sponsoring me, brother. Holy smokes. I looked online. This shift knob is $55 plus tax, bro. I cannot wait to install that into the car. Well, I'm just going to make a video on the shift knob here. And I'm going to make a different video on the fuel rail. Sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, MercRacing, for your sponsorship. Can't wait to throw this sucker on. And I'll make a video of throwing this on and my review on it. I freaking love it. This is hella nice. Finally gonna get rid of that clown nose. Sorry, MercRacing. So sorry. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.